Now that you understand what candles are, and what different types of support and resistance are, it is time to combine candles with support and resistance to better understand the price structure. Remember the Japanese rice trader example from the previous chapter, where Bill the First was the rice trader, and Bill the Second was changing his mind after realizing the high and low of the day? Well, you see, a new candle forms every 5 minutes if you have the time frame set to 5 minutes, and every day if you have the time frame set to 1 day. But most of the time, the data that candles show, or in other words, all candlestick patterns most of the time are not that useful. For example, if the price is in an uptrend and a red candle is formed, it doesn't mean the price is going to change direction. However, there are a few exceptions. If you are trading the strong short-term momentum, especially on a smaller time frame, you can use the first red candle that shows up after a series of green candles to exit the long trade and book a profit. Or if you are trading on the daily or higher time frames where there is less market noise, every single candlestick pattern holds more value than it does on smaller time frames. But candlestick patterns are best used to see the reaction of the market participants near the support and resistance areas. For example, let's say you drew a potential support area on the chart, but you are smart. You don't want to immediately take a long position as soon as the price touches the support area, because there is still a decent chance that the price can go straight through the support area if there is enough selling pressure. Instead of buying immediately, you wait for the candles to show the sellers stepping out and buyers stepping in. In other words, you want a candlestick pattern to form near the support area that shows the buying pressure. What's a buying pressure candlestick pattern look like, you ask? Well, let's see the most important candlestick patterns and what they mean in the next chapter.